eating. We all do it. It's just that some of us eat in a way that fuels our bodies while others eat in a way that feeds their fat cells. The great thing is that we can all learn how to eat better, so the food we take in is converted to energy instead of fat. It just takes a little direction. Hi, I'm Dr. Becky. I'm a college instructor of the Science of Nutrition, and I want to welcome you to my coaching program, where I take you inside the art of building a diet that is not only effective at burning fat, but is also easy to follow and enjoyable. Those are the 3 E's, and they must be a part of your weight loss strategy for you to stick with your plan long enough to get where you want to be. Let me show you around inside and then introduce you to a few members who are already enjoying the benefits of the coaching program. My ultimate goal is to demystify weight loss. That's why I've laid out the program in the way I did, using a series of videos that take you from start to finish. I survey all of my members to make sure that I'm meeting their needs. More than 88% report feeling a level of comfort from the first moment they step inside the coaching program. Setting yourself up for success is important, so you'll start off in the prep phase. This is a unique preparation period because you'll start seeing results right away. As you gather supplies and learn from the videos, you'll begin following the foundation rules and living the 0-1-2-3 lifestyle, preparing your body for fat burning. After the prep phase, you'll move through the 5 modules where you'll learn the exact foods to eat and those to avoid for consistent weight loss. Let's talk more about what you'll be eating. Nutritional science has discovered that controlling the hormone known as insulin is one of the most important factors for fat loss. Insulin is known as your fat-storing hormone. If you eat in a way that keeps insulin low, you'll not only prevent the storage of fat, you'll help your body release fat. When you join the coaching program, you'll follow the 0-1-2-3 diet plan and be provided with precisely calculated weekly meal plans. These optional meal plans contain a precise breakdown of carbs, proteins, and fats to keep your insulin low and your body in a fat-burning state. And if you're interested in following a ketogenic diet, which is a very low-carb diet that accelerates fat loss, you'll enjoy the Going Keto section of our program that comes with instructional videos and a full keto food plan that makes meal planning easy. You'll also receive the expanded version of the recipe book with more than 150 recipes. If you have certain dietary needs, you'll benefit from the special notations that easily identify the 81 vegan-friendly and 33 additional vegetarian-friendly recipes. And rest assured that the recipes contain a wide variety of vitamins and minerals and that most are naturally gluten-free. I also want to add that a lot of effort was put into making this diet effortless for you. All of the recipes have been entered into MyFitnessPal, which is an online nutrition tracking tool that helps you take your diet to the next level. As a coaching member, you get the key to unlock those recipes within MyFitnessPal, so recording your food intake takes seconds rather than hours. The eating strategies you'll learn will help you get the pounds off, and you'll keep them off by learning how to exercise and how to avoid common pitfalls that pull us back into old habits. Have you ever thought dieting isn't worth it? I'm just going to gain the weight back. Or I've already blown my diet today. I might as well give up and start again tomorrow. Those are ants, or automatic negative thoughts, and we all have them. But you'll learn how to exterminate them as you work through my exclusive 5-part weight loss mindset series that helps you get out of your own way so you can reach your goal. And if you ever have a question or you'd like some help fine-tuning your diet, you'll benefit from our members-only forum, where I actively help members customize their diets to fit their lifestyles. It's all included with your one-time membership fee. There are no recurring costs. You pay once and enjoy the benefits for years to come. We keep it simple. Everything you need to succeed is provided for you. Every step has been put together in a logical sequence that moves you from where you are now to where you want to be. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter where you start, it's where you finish. We all want the same thing, to live in a body that feels right and that is physically capable of letting us live the life we want to live. I invite you to come in, explore, learn, have some fun, and finally reach your weight loss goal, because there is nothing better than being able to say, I did it.
I think that one of the things that I've enjoyed the most about your coaching role is a kind of live and let live, start from where you are, move forward from where you are. So there's a lack of judgment. There's a lot of different lifestyles, a lot of different locations, and there isn't any feeling like you should be doing this or you should be doing that. I've lost 15 pounds, so I am a happy camper. I was trying to lose this weight for quite a long time.
I do believe your program is genuinely easy, effective, and efficient. I've been getting results very easily, well beyond what I was hoping for. It's been a relief, actually, to run into your program for me. A huge relief. And I've been losing weight in all the right places, and it's just been melting off. Literally melting. And plateaus, well, they last a short while and then they're gone. It's a huge pleasure. It's a real huge pleasure.
There are some other things that's been really good for me to add, because one thing is the eating, because I don't cook. Yes, I can cook an egg. I'm very good at that. And I can make an avocado smoothie and put some proteins in there. So I'm good at that. And I can add some sweetener that I know is on the limit, but I love it anyway. So besides the eating, it's been good for me to get the focus on the exercise and what I'm doing now, because I'm like halfway through my goal. And I've added more exercise. I just have more energy to add more exercise.
Any foggy thinking that I might have had before I started this program is totally gone. The clarity that I think with now is tremendous. And then the food is so satisfying. The recipes are so, I'd say 90% of the recipes are very, very satisfying, delicious, and great.
The form is very good because it's very different what we need, but it's been very helpful for me when you have to say it to somebody. Mm-hmm. I am going to start now. I am going to lose that much. This is what I did. It helps to share it with somebody.
I like how you can bounce ideas off each other and give it some feedback and, just have people there and they're working on the same thing.
I also feel very grateful for the program, and I feel that it's been an incredible value also.